Saint Nino was the person who brought Christianity in Georgia back in 4th century. They tried, nobody was able to lift up the grave. Who brought Christianity in Georgia back in 4th century. Before Christianity, Georgians used to be pagans and Zoroastrians. It's fire worship. In 1st century, we had Christians as well, but the king himself accepted Christianity in 4th century, and that's why all the nation became Christian. So original Saint Nina was from Cappadocia, and she was sent to Caucasus countries to spread Christianity. First country in Caucasus she visited, it was Armenia, and then after Armenia she entered in Georgia. She made Georgia Christian, and then she used to live here in this area. When she died, they wanted to take her corpse in Sighnaghi, in the capital of Georgia for that time. And when they tried, nobody was able to lift up the grave. As well, 20% is the price that is impossible. So that was a sign for them to leave the grave where it was, and they built the church on the top of the grave. You're gonna see the church as well. And then by the time it became the monastery. Unfortunately, in 8th century, the original church was demolished by the invaders, but in 11th century, we made the new one on the place of the old one. So the small church that you can see, it's an old one, and the bigger church, it's inside of the monastery as well. It's pretty new, it's still under the construction, but you can enter there for sure. And the main thing here is that we are not allowed to take pictures or the videos inside of the church. Outside of the churches, you can take any picture or any video, and I really recommend you to do so because this is a really beautiful place for pictures. Orthodox Church, to enter, for the men it's mandatory to take off the hat, and for the woman it's mandatory to cover the head. So you can use the hoodie or the hat or the scarf. If you don't have scarf, inside of the church there will be.
Bensan ko natin sa kay Manudi. Tama sa At the right side, in the end, there will be the grave of Saint Nino.
This is the new one.
New. Yeah, you can enter.
Okay. Thank you.
Jirle pram, gapon to. Wag ka step by step lang sa graph. Ang bilis mo hindi ka. Going to the stress, then keep.
А часовню нельзя заходить?
어디 나가 그렇지? 어디?
Кетуся, подними чуть ее, не видно. Кетуся. Kaya ganyan ka lang. Dito yun.
Где ты? Все, давай. Ой, panggil kalian. Хорош, говорю, это близко получилось.
Я фотки сделал с тобой, я думаю, тебе хватит. А смотри,
შუაში რუსულად არის შუაში მამესიჩი იუჟენა тоже такая ეგრე რომ დაუყოვნო